Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. This is Correct Bet. This trick is working perfectly. Honestly, this is 15 minutes score. As you can see, 15 minutes score. See, this is a 20 odd. Just grab now. 20 odd on Zoom Soccer. 15 minutes score. Teams that will score before 15 minutes. This strategy is working perfectly. If you need this, just chat me on WhatsApp on 07036760527. So this trace now, I'm only giving it to 30 people only. Only 30 people is what I'm giving it to. This 15 minute score. So this is how I'll do about these tricks. I'll create a WhatsApp group. Then 30 people only is what I need for these tricks, to give these tricks. So if you know that you have 6,000 for these tricks, chat me on WhatsApp. I'm giving it only to 30 people. After 30 people, I'll create a group. You join, maybe either by the link on the description of this video, or you chat me on WhatsApp. I'll add you on that group. Once it's 30, nobody is joining again. If you enter the group and you see 30 people there, you just leave. You just leave. Only thing I need is only 30 people for this strategy, to give this strategy video. Then what I'll be doing is, once we use this strategy of 15 minute score for that 30 people, once the trees stop, I will now find another trees again and still repost it again on the group, on that WhatsApp group. I will now post it again on that WhatsApp group for that 30 people. I will do it for 1 month. I will do it for 1 month. I will just record the tricks, the secret of that strategy. Anyone that I discover, I will post it on the group for that 30 people only. That's how I'll be giving this strategy to only 30 people. I don't want more than 30 people. Only 30 people I need for this strategy. Then the price for this, I will give one person is 6,000. So if you have 6,000, chat me on WhatsApp or join the WhatsApp group link that I will post on the description of this video. Then use it to join the group. Once we are 30, I'm not adding anybody again until we finish for the first month. That is, this strategy I'm giving now is for 1 month. Then it's not only this strategy that I will be using for that 1 month. I will also find out another strategy on Zoom Soccer. This is 15 minutes score. That is the strategy I'm using for this. This is the second video I'm posting for today concerning these tricks. It's working perfectly since morning, since yesterday. Been working perfectly. This is a 15 minute score. This strategy is too much. Honestly, this strategy is working perfectly. Imagine 16. This is a 20 odd. You can see it here, 20 odd. If you need these trees, just chat me on WhatsApp on 07036760527. Don't forget, it's not for free. Once you chat me on WhatsApp, I will show you the strategy I'm using for it. Use it to grab your own winning on Zoom Soccer. Alright guys, see you on next video. This is Correct Bet. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Don't forget to click that bell notification so that you'll be notified anytime I drop new tricks or any strategy or any information like this. You'll be notified. Once you click on that bell notification, it will help you to know when I post new video. Alright guys, this is Correct Bet. See you on next video.